of
Igongona riri rikurehete hamwe andu a nyumba, arata hamwe na atongoria kuma ngathi itiganite aria manarutithania wira na uria wari minister wa tene mutigaire Simon Nyachae. Kuma kuri ciana ciake aria marugamire kwaria maheanire ngumo njega ya mutigaire kuma ureri na wendo wake munene kuri family yake.
That there are not enough words in this world to express how much we love you and are going to miss you.
I want to be remembered as a servant like my grandfather.
Ona atumia ake eri aria mauma igongona-ini riri matinaga ciugo njega cia kumugathiriria.
We knew each other so well that we knew what the answer would be for each other's questions, even without having to say a word.
Mzee alikuwa anatupenda hata watoto wetu.
Ndumiriri-ini ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta iria thomirwo ni minister wa ugima wa muingi Mutahikagwe, mutongoria wa bururi ni acakaite Nyachae ta mutongoria wanyitire itemi nene hari ukuria wa mitaratara itiganite ya uthii wa nambere guuku bururi-ini.
In the passing of the Honorable Nyachae, we are all deprived of his leadership, great passion, determination, and energy towards serving our country.
Hamwe na atongoria age aria megwikinyitio igongona-ini riri ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga, othe magitambura Nyachae ta mutongoria urekuranire gwakinyane wira na muikaraniria wake na andu othe.
Very strong personality, a go-getter, at no time for anything that he didn't consider professional.
He didn't believe in shortcuts. The integrity of the public service was perhaps at its highest during the tenure of Simon Nyachae.
There's that human part of him. He was a very compassionate person, but he also lacked efficiency, trained in the colonial culture of efficiency.
Ihinda-ini riu minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i hamwe na muikariri giti wa kanju ya magavana Martin Wabora magitariria miaka iria marutithanirio wira na Nyachae.
Mzee may have retired as a PC and as head of public service, but the head of public service in him did not leave, and the chief secretary in him never parted. Always in control and always in charge of things.
I have personal vivid memories of Honorable Simon Nyachae as a very committed and towering provincial commissioner.
Nyachae ahurukire tariki imwe mweri uyu ari na ukuru wa miaka mirongo inana na kenda na akahurukio muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite mucii gwake kaunti-ini ya Kisii. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.